channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment my YouTube channel to get new and innovative content about maths. So guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss class 9 chapter 3 exercise 3.2 question number 1. The basic concept is the variation, direct and indirect variation, or direct or indirect proportion you're going to use here. So let's start. We are going to do question number 1. They are saying given y proportional x directly proportional to x, y is equals to 8, y is equals to 8 and the x is equals to 2. So y is directly proportional to x. So now find what is y in terms of x and what is x in terms of y. So let's start the question, and firstly what you will do is you will write here y proportional x and y is equals to kx. Okay, you will write here y is equals to kx, and then what you will do, you write y over x equals to k. You're going to find the value of k. So what you will do is you will put the values 8 by 2 equals to k. So you will get 4 is equals to k. Now you're going to use this value of k and find the respective values. So you can write y is equals to k x. So you are going to, in the first condition, your y is to be found and x is 5. So what you will do that put the value of k, this is 4 and x is 5, and what is y is equals to 20. And second portion, you can make it block, that is y is equals to kx, and you are going to find the value of x. So y over k. What is the value of y? It is 8 and x value is 4. X. So how much 4 sevens are? So x is equals to 7. Like this also we are going to solve the other questions that are on the basis of the direct variation. And if you just see question number 2 also, that is also based on the direct variation. So question number 2 is that y is proportional to x